Well, it's a quarantine time now. So me a quarantine in and me can't get jerk and me love jerk. So guess what I go there now? I go and drop it on a quarantine grill. You see the size of the grill and now say everybody with 10 of them yard. The size of the grill. Wait name? One and move. One bird at a time, and trust me, fire going at the bottom there, sir, and fire there at the top there, sir. And when you ready to start kick up, all of the oil and the water and everything when you it, see it there? It run out in at the bottom there, sir. Observe carefully what is happening here. All the water, the grease, the blood, everything that is in the chicken running out. I'm going to give a little look and see how I'm looking now. Notice, top start getting a little brown.
Likey.
Time, my love is to the end of time, seated on the wine. And guess what? Not even putting a red stripe here upon it, put on like a red wine upon it and not all, just naturally want to find out what I want to feel now. That deeply brown color coming across nicely. As I flip it, I want all of it to get that brown color. And it's still juicy. As you hear the sound of the juice that's running out. Well, alright. Just every time I lift it up, it just take out a small piece right there, so I'm sure I go and feed there. It just yes. Alright, I know. Camera still on? I'm sure I cool it first, but next time, so I go for one of them big pieces there, and I go cool it, yeah?